Hi everyone, so today I wanted to make a video on how to start a Adobe Illustrator file and create that workspace for yourself to get started on a design. So once you click into the Adobe Illustrator app, this is like the first screen that will show up. The most important things here are the new file and the presets option. You can see all of this once you click new file as well. So I'm just going to click that for now. Up here it shows you all the presets that you can use. So if you're planning on doing a design for a mobile device, like a wallpaper on your phone, you could click what phone you have and it would create the workspace to that dimension. So they have a ton of different options for presets if you already know what you're making your design for. For now, I will just go to make a random document. So we can start off with this option here. So if you don't quite know what you want to make your design for, you just want kind of a blank space to work off of, you can name your workspace here. If you don't really know what you're making your design for yet and you just want a blank space to work off of, you can just use a random preset and make the dimensions how you want. So we'll start off here with the preset details. And you can name your file whatever you'd like. So I'll just name mine an example file. The next thing that you want to decide is the width and the height of the file that you want to work with. So we'll just make mine 8.5 by 11. And then you can also change the orientation. So if you want your piece of paper, say, to be in portrait mode or in landscape mode. And then you can also change the number of artboards you'd like. So this is pretty much how many pieces of paper you want on the screen at one time. And you can also add or subtract once you get into Illustrator. There's also a bleed option. So when you're printing, this gives you the option to give a little bit of extra space on the sides of the piece of paper. That way you have that much more room when you're printing something out. This is a little bit more of an advanced thing, so you don't really have to worry about that. Then Cmyk and RGB color modes. So for print, you would use the Cmyk color mode, and for just designing on the web, you would stay in the RGB color mode. We'll stick with Cmyk for now. And then the Raster Effects. This is just the resolution of the design. So this will give you a higher resolution and a lower resolution. So when you're printing something out, you would want this, the 300 ppi, which is a higher resolution for print. If you're just making a design for screen or for the web, you could use the 72 or the 150 ppi. I would stick around 150 because screens have gotten better with newer technology, so everything is a little bit higher resolution. I'll just stick with the 300 ppi for now. And everything else you can pretty much leave the same, just starting off, and then we click create to create our document. And this is what opens up. So as you can see, I have my 8.5 piece of paper and it is in portrait mode. Thank you guys so much for watching how to create a file in Adobe Illustrator.